Welcome to the before and during renovation tour of our 2010 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 376 WP. This is the before of our living room and kitchen area. And here's the full bathroom and our bedroom before we started remodeling. And then there's Mel's favorite part, the garage, which will be his office and our extra sleeping area. There's also a half bath right there behind Mel. We plan on remodeling the whole kitchen area, but for now, we just gave it a little refresh. Our U-team keep the balances and blinds. We're not. We're also not Team Dinette. Then we started tearing things up and taking it to the next level. Open concept, anyone? And since we sold almost everything we own, Mel had to get a new tool. He wasn't complaining though. Most days, this RV is a hot mess, but it's real life. We're trying to remodel and live in it full time, and it's not easy, but we're making it. Choose a space, add a pop of color, and make it beautiful. We have big plans for this bathroom, but for right now, it's just a little refresh so that we can enjoy the space while we're traveling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep following our journey. We really appreciate you guys coming along. See you later.